All right, beautiful. You guys can hear me all right, right? I got that booming voice. So my name's Rocco. I'm going to talk to you about how to get code out of DevTools using Diffs. So first off, there's this guy, Umar. He does all this stuff with DevTools, and he's like leading the charge on this stuff. And he shows us how we can actually use the changes panel here to see the live changes that we've made in our web page. So you can do this with both JavaScript and CSS. Just I want to give you a taste of it because this is a short talk. There's also workspaces, which some of you might be familiar with. So workspaces are a way to map your local host to the files on your server. And with workspaces, you're able to make a change in DevTools and have that persist to your web page. So there's this thing in Chrome DevTools experiments. It's called Persistence 2.0, which actually makes persistence a little bit easier to use. There's some good heuristics and algorithms for mapping those files. So I recommend that you check this out in the experiments. But what about the DOM? So the DOM is a little bit different than the different CSS and JavaScript files because there's not actually a file that's associated with the DOM. It's an in-memory representation of the layout of your page, and there's not always an exact match of that as a file. So anyway, I got around to writing this article about this stuff. It's on Medium. You can find me at the Rocco B. That's also my Twitter. So let's take a look at the To-Do MVC app. Who has seen the To-Do MVC app? Everyone? Most people? So this is just a standard web app that they show you how to use different things, different frameworks. Anyway, so with the To-Do MVC app, what I do, or what I want to show you, is how I would make changes to that and get those to persist to my code without using workspaces or anything like that. So on my console, I copy this line right here, right? And this puts the entire DOM into, this puts the entire string representation of the DOM into a copy buffer, okay? Like your clipboard. And then I put this on the left-hand side of any diff tool. There's mergely is the one I'm showing here, but you could use meld or whatever your diff tool is that you like. So I paste that in there, and then I go in and I make little changes to the DOM. Okay, I edit this thing as HTML. I change the to-do list. I change some of the styling inline right there. And okay, I make this ugly behemoth of the thing that it looks like a programmer designed it, and not a designer. So then I copy it again, and then I paste it in the right-hand side, and as you can see, it actually shows me where the changes are that I made. So I would imagine a lot of you have kind of hacked in these changes, and you sort of forget what you did, and you have to kind of go and hunt that down. Well, this is an easy way to do that. And that's it. I am from Tint. We're looking for a senior front-end engineer, and I'm going to be talking about WebGL at the Forward.js conference coming up, and there's some really cool stuff with Unity right now. And I'm also doing this Fog City Learning thing where I have a full class on this DevTools stuff. If you guys want to take a picture of this and sign up on the website, I'll give you this course for free. You got to give me your email address, though, for it, and that'll be that. So anyway, I will pass it to the next performer here. Thank you.